Hi guys, picked this up in the charity shop the other day. Cost me £1. It's a do-it-yourself kite kit. Need a plastic bag, which is amusing because we don't get many plastic bags nowadays. So I've had to search through my stock to find some plastic bags that might work. Basically, you cut it out to the shape required. Bit of sticky tape to stick it together with. Oh, we got sticky bits. I don't need my own sticky tape. Yeah, that's sticky back plastic. Tail. Some string. Oh, dropped it on the floor. 2 fiberglass canes. Flying line. Little rubber band. Find a plastic bag with 30 centimeters height. And obviously it's got to be that wide. Well, we have a plastic bag here, got a hole in it just there. Keep away from small children. The thin film may cling to nose and mouth, preventing breathing. That's actually quite tough. That might be ideal. Somebody's going to want those dimensions, aren't they? So it's 42 that way and 30 that way. So each of these panels must be 10.5. 10.5, 20, 21, 42, yeah. And then that distance down there is 10. I wonder if I can write that on there. So that's 10 centimeters. And across the top, is there anywhere I can write it where I won't make a mess? 10.5. And then the full length was 30. Right, well, what I'll do is I'll cut this out. Back in a minute. Well, the instructions told you to actually cut the instructions out and use it as a template. I'm using clear plastic, so I've just laid it on top and drawn around it with a felt tip pen, so I can then cut that out. So, cut it out. Lay it flat. the sticks over. And then put the sticky tape over the sticks and round underneath. That was a bit of a mess. That's interesting. The sticks are just a little bit longer than the plastic. All right, we'll tidy that up in a minute. Oh, the plastic had crumpled up a bit, that's what that was. I did make a mark so I knew where the sticks had to go, so we wouldn't get confused. Because there's no wind out there, I did read through the instructions before, and it does tell you when there's no wind, you can run around and tow it behind you. That's not going to happen. If I had some handy grandchildren around, it might happen. But they're back at school now. End of the summer holidays. Okay. So, next. So we've done that. Next we need the bridle. Take the short piece of string, bridle line, and tie a knot at each end. Let's just make sure we haven't got a knot in the middle before we get going. That's okay. So tie a knot. Okay, there's our knots. Then we've got to tape them on there. The knot goes inside the bit of tape, not underneath it. That's what it says quite clearly there. Fix in place with sticky tape as shown, making sure the knot sits to the side of the tape, not under it. Take that out of the way. Oh, I've got both pieces there, I didn't notice that. I expect having somebody to help would make life easier. I expect if I just put that on there like that, and then put that on, and then fold the corners over. Didn't do that very neatly. But that's what we want. Bit of tape. Position that like that. And position that like that. And there we go. I might just trim those bits off. And that is basically it. There's those instructions. Tie a loop in the middle. Yeah. Fold these over so they're even. And tie a loop in there. So if I go and pull that, oh, that one's coming loose. That one didn't. That's better. I might actually put some more tape on there just to make doubly sure it can't slip out. I've got the tail to put on it as well. Yeah. Stick each end of the tail to the bottom of the kite on top of the sticks. Right. Haven't tied this off yet. I might just unwind all of that and check whether they've actually tied the other end of it in place. Looks like they might have done, but I never trust them. So I'm going to unwind that, make sure there's a good knot on the bottom. Otherwise, when you're out flying it, you let it all go off and it comes straight off the handle. It is tied off. I'm not sure that's the best way to tie it off. I would have thought they should have put it through the loop, through the hole. Yeah, like that. That's not a lot of good. So we'll poke that through the hole. And tie it off again. Just to be double sure on this connection for the bridle, I folded the string over the top of the tape that was there and put another piece of tape over the top so it can't pull through underneath the first piece of tape, if that makes any sense. So we just need some wind now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.